Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the first option, the edit photo, at the upper side of the screen, and select a picture from your device. Go to the adjust section at the bottom of the page, and here you can find the first option, the brightness, and just pile the line on the scale and you can edit the brightness of your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.